Good evening. In continuation to our presentation on the digital computer organization, today we are going to study a very important and an interesting topic on the adders. And in this presentation, we are going to study the topic on half adder. A half adder it is a logic circuit that adds two bits producing a sum and a carry to be used for the next higher position. And in this particular diagram you can see the logic symbol of the half adder in which we have A and B are the two inputs and we have the outputs as there is a sum and carry. There is a truth table in which you can see that these A and B inputs and the outputs as sum and carry, and from the output it is clear that when we add 0 0 it will give us sum 0 and carry as 0. When we add 0 1 it gives us sum as 1 and carry as 0, and when 1 0 is the input again we get sum as 1 carry as 0, and when both the inputs are 1 1 in that case we get sum as 0 and carry as 1. Now this truth table, now here the sum equation can be written as a complement into b plus a into b complement, and the carry equation can be written as a into b. And if you look at these two equations carefully, so the sum equation somewhere it does point to the exclusive OR gate. Since the exclusive OR gate has the same output combinations, so this equation points to the exclusive OR gate. And the carry equation, from here you can see that this is the output where it is same as the output that is produced by the AND gate. Now these two things are very helpful for us when we have to draw the logic circuit diagram for the half adder. So there are two ways in which now we can draw the logic circuit diagram for this half adder. So let us take the first method in which only using exclusive OR and AND gate. By using only exclusive OR and AND gate, we will draw the logic circuit diagram. That is very simple. We are having this is our exclusive OR gate. Okay, we are having A, this is A, this is B, and this is our sum equation which gives us A bar into B plus A into B bar. And to get the carry, what we have to do is we have to take and so this is the equation. This from here we are getting carry, that is equal to A into. So this is the first method in which we have drawn the logic circuit diagram using the exclusive OR gate and the AND gate. Now for the second method we have to draw the circuit diagram using, for the second method let us draw here. This is the first method, okay, and here I am taking the second method in which we draw the circuit diagram using AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Okay, so for this I am taking the input A and here I am taking B. Okay, so looking at the equation we have to draw sum is equal to A bar B plus A into B bar. Okay, so I am taking this. Okay, this is a bar into b. So here I am taking a bar into b. This is a bar into b. Now I have to add this, but before that I have to take a into b bar. So from here I can take a. This is I am taking a. Okay, and b bar. So for that, here I am connecting NOT gate, and this is a, and from here I am getting b bar, and I have to connect a NOT gate for this. Okay, so this is I am getting a into b bar, and now I have to add these two. So for that I have to connect these to the OR gate. So this is how I am getting the sum equal to a bar into b plus a into b bar. Fine. Then when it comes to carry, simply what we have to do is, from here I am taking a, so this is a, and from here I am taking b, so this is b, and I have to multiply these two. So for that we have to connect the AND gate, and this is the carry part equal to a into b. So this way it is very easy. By using the outputs we can draw the logic circuit diagram by the two methods, that is, one is using only the exclusive OR gate and the AND gate. We have drawn this circuit diagram, and the other one is by using the basic logic gates, that is, we have the AND gate, we have the OR gate, and we have the NOT gate. We have drawn the same logic circuit diagram for the half adder. So this is all about the half adder, in which we have the logic symbol, the truth table, and the circuit diagrams. Next we will discuss about the full adder and about its logic circuit diagram in detail. Thank you.